I'm Dr. Madhu Gupta, lecturer and head of the department Hindi at MHS Tilaknagar, Jaipur. As we all are teachers, so in my view, it is very necessary and curious as well to know about new education policy, which was announced by central government in July month 2020. Actually, draft of this education policy had been published in 2019, and it is based on report of Kasturi Rangan committee. Then a large of number of suggestions and resolutions were invited from all over the country. After a long debate, Modi government launched this education policy. It seems that government wants to overhaul the whole education system of India. But today I am going to discuss about major reforms in school education system. As we can see in this diagram, our previous school structure 10 plus 2 will be placed with a new pedagogical and curriculum structure 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. And now question is, what is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4? Let me explain it. In fact, our new model of school education is divided into 4 stages. First stage is foundation stage. This stage will be further divided into 2 parts. In the first part, initially 3 years for play school. You can say it Anganwadi. And in second part, there are 2 classes, first and second, in primary school. And it will cover the children of ages 3 to 8 years. No exams, no bag, only playing and doing interesting activities in the school. Means learning will be very enjoyable and engaging in my opinion. And medium of instruction in this stage will be mother tongue or regional language. After it, in second stage, that is called preparatory stage, class 3rd, 4th and 5th. For children ages 9 to 11. In this stage, student will be introduced the basic knowledge of language, maths, science, arts and physical education. A third stage is called middle stage. This middle stage is very important because Computer education will start from 6th class and experimental learning will be adopted. So, along with the abstract concept of maths, social science, science, arts, languages, there will be so many vocational courses for students, and student will have to opt one of them, at least one of them, and there will be 10 days in a month without break. In this period, students will be sent to the local industries for internship to gain practical knowledge and training skills of different professional courses. In this stage, one thing is very important, that instead of every academic year's exams, student will answer only 3 exams in 3rd class, 5th class and 8th class. The last stage, that is secondary stage, it is again subdivided into two parts. First phase for class 9th and 10th, and class 11th and 12th will be in second phase. These 4 years study will provide a multiple options of subjects to the students. There will be no stream science, arts and commerce. For example, if one student wants to get knowledge accountancy with physics, or other students want to study chemistry with fashion designing, then they will be allowed to do so. Examination system and evaluation system are also be changed, but board examinations will be continued for 10th and 12th, but redesigned by a new assessment body called Parak. And to make them easier, these exams will be held twice in a year. A student will have option to choose one of them. Exams itself would have two parts. First is objective and second is descriptive. As I earlier said, evaluation system is also changed. A wide and subjective report card will be made for each and every students, and it consists self and peer group and teacher assessments also. At last, at last, I would like to say that I am supremely confident in new education system. Learning will be more holistic and integrated. That's all. It is good enough for today. Rest off on another day. Thank you. Thank you so much.